Hello classmates, today I will be giving a verbal tutorial on how to change a tire properly. And in this life, you never know what's going to happen. In financial situation also, you can be on track, rent paid, utilities paid, everything going great. But the thing about life, you never know what's going to come at you. And emergency expenses are very shaky. They could really throw you off track and mess up your groove. So today, with my verbal tutorial on how to properly change the tire safely, there's probably different ways how to change it. Don't know how safe some more than others, but today, how I will be teaching how to change the tire. In today's video on how to safely, efficiently change a tire, we will now be talking about location. In part two, in talking about location, it is many factors you will have to take into account on where you are pulled over at, depending on where you have caught your flat tire, or if you were coming out to your vehicle and your tire was flat. If you were on the highway and you may have picked up a nail or some debris that has made your tire just unavailable, you will want to pull over into a safe location to steer clear of oncoming traffic, to be safe, to make sure you do not get hit. Hello, in today's video, in part 3 on how to properly and efficiently change a tire safely, we will be talking about the second location. If you were approaching your vehicle after maybe running a few errands or coming back from the supermarket, and you approach your vehicle and your tire was flat, you want to make sure your car is in a safe location. Make sure you cannot get hit also. Even though you're not on the highway, you also want to steer clear of oncoming traffic, because there could be some speed racers in that parking lot. You never know. In part 4, we will talk about the literal action of changing the tire safely, properly, and efficiently. After you approach your trunk, you will want to pop your trunk. You want to retrieve your jack and your safety stand. Your jack is going to be used to jack the vehicle up, and your safety stand acts as a second-hand safety in case your jack is to cave in to save you if the car is to fall off the original jack. After you have those things, you want to begin jacking the vehicle up. Now, don't be upset. There will be some hard labor in this. After you jack your vehicle up and place your safety stand, you want to approach the tire that you have that is flat. You want to begin with In today's video, in part 4, I will now be talking about the literal action of changing your tire safely, properly, and efficiently. After you are in a safe location, you want to approach the back of your vehicle and pop the trunk. After you pop the trunk, you want to grab the jack and the safety stand. After you grab the jack and safety stand, you want to approach the side of the vehicle is where the tire is flat. You want to now begin to jack the vehicle up and then also place the safety stand down. The safety stand is used as second-hand protection to save you just in case the jack gives out. After you have those two items, you may need an impact drill. You will now put the impact drill on the lug nuts and begin to use the drill. After all the lug nuts are off, you can now properly and may need some force to pull off the tire. After you properly use force and safety gloves to now take off the tire, you will now need to grab the spare tire. You will adjust the spare tire properly onto the fixing and now drill the lug nuts back on. After that, you now can safely remove the safety jack and slowly release the pulley. Your tire is now changed. Don't leave that spare on for too long. You will now want to get to a tire shop and get a new tire as soon as possible. Be safe out there, guys. I hope this video helped. Have a great one.